We were sent this on-the-go jewelry cleaner by Mine for our review, and I'm excited because I love to have my ring nice and sparkly, and all my jewelry, let's be honest. I love the size of this. This is really great to just plop into your purse and bring with you anywhere and everywhere, especially like on vacation in your bag. You've got these nice soft bristles right here, so there's going to be no damage to any of your jewelry. And all you're supposed to do is click it a few times, and then I believe the product is going to come out. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It is like totally flying out now. Okay, perfect. So you just squirt that, and then you use that. Oh, look, it's like just like a little bath for my ring. So let me just hold this properly, and we're going to scrub, scrub, scrub. So it's supposed to help get rid of all that buildup that causes, you know, grime and dullness to your jewelry. So I'm going to take this and give this a nice little clean now. Oh, 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 I don't know if you can tell, but it is sparkly. Oh my goodness, this stuff by Mine, that is going to be in all my purses, all my bags. Gorgeous.